Alright, boom. Let's get it.
What's up, y'all? We are back with another video. And today we have breakfast. Breakfast. We have pancakes. Yeah, don't talk about my sausages. We got pancakes, eggs, grits, and sausage. Oh, and bacon.
Thumbnail.
Oh.
Alright, that's cool.
Yeah, early morning breakfast. So, and we have some fresh cut mango. Fresh mango. Like I had to peel it and all that and cut it up. But y'all like how niggas set up? Y'all like it or no? Y'all like it or no?
I am, y'all. I'm eating already. I'm sorry. I'm hungry.
Yeah, we hungry.
Okay.
Good morning, y'all.
Right.
How y'all doing?
She say, we should be cool. Got my do-rag on. Don't mind my stain on my shirt. That's what you got. That's why I sleep, man. You know, shirt, you know what I'm saying? Little stain thing.
Hope y'all morning's good.
Don't judge me. Let me get it. Hope y'all have a real productive day. Because there's a lot of snow outside.
Yeah. Y'all hear noise, the house is in full throttle. So.
Shoot.
You spilled it on the night.
Don't judge me yet.
I just poured some vitamin water, energy. We're not sponsored by them, but you know.
It's alright. It's alright or whatever.
No.
I should have got a spoon.
What y'all have for breakfast?
Oh, man.
Y'all want some eggs?
I'm having a hard time with this fork. I need a spoon.
Want some eggs? Here you go.
I need a spoon. This eggs.
Look, y'all.
Man.
You planning to get your to-do list done?
You have a list of something to do every day.
Y'all might hear kids. Sarah. They're in full throttle. We got our little one in the kitchen eating her mango in the high chair.
This is what you call when you need a spoon. No, I need a spoon.
So we're multitasking. Pancakes. One pancake. Hold on, I don't want to get no syrup on my carpet now. Oh, shit.
Carpet.
Look, trying to
Table.
share. Hey, trying to share with y'all.
Just say carpet.
Hurry up.
Table.
Bite.
Hey, get that. I gotta shampoo that.
I'm sorry, baby. I knew it was gonna
Stop
fall.
offering them that food.
My sausage is a little
It's too
black.
early.
These are Polish kibasi. Y'all like y'all's cook hard? I like mine's cook hard.
Make sure y'all tell in the comments too. Make sure you shampoo that up. Or you dropped it.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I'll help you with your shampoo.
That will help me shampoo. It's one machine.
I put the water in it.
I'm ready to stab her. Oh man.
So, let's see.
We ain't got no topic, y'all.
We don't. Like, what time breakfast y'all eat? Because I know we have people from all over.
Alright.
So, what's up? A normal breakfast for you?
use my fingers for my pancakes. Don't judge me.
I like to get a little syrup on my sausage sometimes.
Y'all put sugar in y'all grits? What about? I put a little cinnamon in there too.
I do my makeup for the mukbang later. You know, we be running and watching the videos back. I be like, who doing all that smacking?
I don't know who's doing
Whole time it be both of us.
Both of them.
We gotta get plastic forks. Ooh, look at that mango. Oops.
Y'all like the plastic forks? Oh, I want to see y'all will hear this.
Now that we use glass, I think we should use plastic forks.
Baby, we was using glass the whole time. We was using glass the whole time.
The other plates are like a porcelain type of material. Not porcelain, but it ain't glass. Is it glass? It's like a porcelain type of plate. Look at this. Ooh, mango so juicy, y'all.
Right, she was pulling the juices running off her.
Oh, it's sweet. Oh, my tooth. That's how sweet it is.
The baby.
Maya.
What's going on?
Why is she crying?
Because she finished with the mango, it dropped and it dropped on the floor. Put it back in the bowl and got her back.
Okay, rinse it off the mango. You can give it back to her. And we're back.
Oh man. Boo boo boo
Yeah,
boo boo. My baby crying. I got the peep like, you alright? You alright?
Yeah, she in that high chair with her mango. It keep, the seed is slippery for those who eat mango.
She crushing it though.
And keep falling out of hand.
Right, I was saying, y'all put salmon in y'all grits. I seen in the comments they was talking about us putting sugar in there. Otis said he put hot sauce or something like that in there.
But I haven't seen the
really
cup. Sorry, y'all. I'm like
Right,
trying to
we
catch
run
up
late.
with schoolwork. So y'all been talking to Will, not Jay.
What?
In the comment section. Y'all been talking to Will, not Jay. I'm trying to catch up with schoolwork. I got essays and stuff to do. I still love y'all, but he's taking over until I get my schoolwork finished. But I'll definitely check out those comments.
So I ain't got a chance to reply to none because we've been doing a lot, but I'll get on there and reply to them, reply to everybody before this video drop. That was funny. Gave me the hiccup. I ain't even touched the bacon. Look at that bacon. Oh, I see y'all.
I wonder how the hospital make their bacon.
They baked in the oven, I think.
That bacon was good.
Yo, so it's bacon. That was top 5 bacon, did all live.
Yeah.
And I tried to bake my bacon like that and it didn't work.
We burned the first
It
day.
burnt. You know. Like, who thinks to put bacon in the oven and be like, oh snap, I forgot I put the bacon in the oven.
First of all, we don't put it in the bake oven, so you like, I'm not gonna do that. I do.
Oven take too long.
I need a spoon too.
But the oven move faster. Need a spoon too.
Oh, babe, I'm taking too long.
No,
I'm full.
me too. I don't eat the mango.
I think it's the mango that made me. I left you the big piece right there.
This one. This one right here.
All for you.
Look at that cheese dripping. Move fast.
We should do a mango mukbang.
ASMR.
Cheat Day with Jay had Philippine mango with some type of sauce or something on there. And he put it on there. It looked real good.
Some sauce. Fruit.
Yep. It might be, look, don't knock it till you try it.
What was that? Mango is delicious. It's sweet.
It is very sweet. It hurt my teeth.
Oh man.
It ain't right till you burn your sausage.
Right.
Every time I burn sausage,
The best flavor ever.
I think about my sister.
It's called burnt.
My sister used to burn everything.
Oh man. First your
Not
brother,
like-
now your sister. Oh, here we go. Sierra, I ain't know on this one.
You know, like, everything had to be crispy because she didn't want it to be uncooked.
That's right. That's right. I'm in on this one. Sorry. It must be done.
Yeah, so it was like cooked hard. Everything was cooked hard.
My stomach was full.
No. It's a short one, but you know, we ain't had nothing to talk about. We just went down.
Come and eat. Enjoy our meal with y'all.
You know.
Saved y'all sausage.
What y'all drink with y'all breakfast?
Let me taste that.
It's tropical citrus.
It's tropically cold.
It's flavored with sweeteners. They didn't lie.
This is nasty.
It is not nasty.
Take it. It don't taste like nothing. Oh, it's not nasty. It don't taste like nothing.
It tastes like tropical
Let me
citrus.
try it again.
It tastes like that mango, honestly, with no sugar.
Let me try it. Let me try it one more time. Yeah. Take that back. Excuse me. Take that back.
Too much. Play too much.
It's alright, whatever. No, it's good. It's fine.
Play too much. Alright. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with everybody.
You don't judge me on my bleach stain.
Yeah, and my bonnet. My satin cap, as Cuzzo could say.
And my do-rag.
My satin cap, you know.
But
And
you know,
baby Ray. But you know,
deuces, we out of here.
it's little breakfast, little shindig, little pow. Breakfast. Yum, yum, yum. Bacon, eggs, you know.
She bugging out early in the morning.
What you gonna do with that sausage? Look at me.
I don't want it. I'm full.
You full for real? For real.
Like full. Like for real. I'm full. But don't forget to
Like, comment, subscribe, and share with everybody.
a little bit more enthusiastic.
And anybody, and everybody, and anybody, and anybody.